What's up? My name is Fred and I'm the author behind these beautiful artworks and speed art videos. And before I show you the video, there are two things that you should know. First of all, every time I create a speed art, I'm watching some kind of movie in the corner of Photoshop just so that I don't get bored. And that's why a little part of Photoshop will be covered. But don't worry, you will still see all the important things. And number two, some of you who will watch this video will probably not understand what is happening. Maybe because you're just beginners in Photoshop, or you don't know how to use Photoshop at all. Or even if you're professionals, because some of the techniques that I'm using are pretty extreme. And that's exactly why I have created classes that help you master Photoshop, After Effects, and learn how you can create over 60 stunning artworks and animations. And that's why, before we start this speed art video, I would like to show you this promo. You can watch it in case you're interested in online classes and learning new cool things, or you can skip it and just go directly through the art process video. It's up to you, my dear friend. Let's go! What's up? I'm Fred and I am a Photoshop magician. In the last 3 years I've been teaching students how to master Photoshop, After Effects, edit their images, create stunning artworks and animations. These classes will teach you Photoshop from zero and help you create over 60 stunning projects that you have never seen anywhere before. What makes this difference from all the other online classes is that you are getting me as your personal mentor. That means that you can also anytime just message me and I will answer any of your questions or problems that you have. On the website you will also find a page dedicated to students that shows all of the crazy artworks that my students have created after the classes. Click the link below, learn more about the classes. What are you waiting for? See you in class, my dear friendsitas. Bye bye, love you. Go to learnfromfred.com and start learning today. Congratulations! You finished the speed art video. Well, what is next, you're asking? Well, there are three options. Number one, you can go and watch another speed art video. Number two, you can check out my other channel, Learn from Fred, where I show tutorials with commentary and with explanations. Or number three, you can go to learnfromfred.com, where you will learn how to master Photoshop, After Effects, and create over 60 stunning, beautiful artworks and animations, my dear friend. With that said, hopefully see you in one of my next videos. Love you. Bye bye.